Hello everyone. So in the previous class we have discussed some questions and we have done up to question number 3rd. Okay. So today we will do question number 4th, that is now question number 4th is 15 cot A is equals to 8 and we have to find sin A and sec A. Okay. So here we have given 15 cot A is equals to 8. Now if we do solution, then 15 cot A is equals to 8 and we can say cot A is equals to 8 upon 15. Now we know that cot A is equal to base upon perpendicular. So if we relate from here, we can say base equals to 8 and perpendicular is equals to 15. Okay, but for sine we have to find hypotenuse, and for that we have to draw right angle triangle. Okay, so let me draw right angle triangle. So here this is a right angle triangle. We consider this as an angle A, this as an angle B, and this as angle C. Right angle at B. Okay, now base is 8, perpendicular is 15. Okay, so we have to find hypotenuse. How do we will find hypotenuse? By using Pythagoras theorem. Okay, so now in triangle A B C, by Pythagoras theorem, AC square, that is hypotenuse square, is equal to perpendicular, that is BC square plus base, that is AB square. Okay, now what is the value of BC? BC is 15 square. What is the value of AB? That is 8 square. What is the value of 15 square? That is 225. And what is the value of 8 square? That is 60. So if we add this 9, 8, that is 289. Now from here AC is equals to under root 289, or AC we simply say 17. AC is equals to 17. Okay, so now we have hypotenuse equal to 17 centimeter, or you can say 17 unit. Okay, now we will find sine A. So sine A is equal to perpendicular upon hypotenuse. What is perpendicular over here? That is BC. What is hypotenuse over here? That is AC. Now what is the value of BC? BC is 15 and AC is 17. Similarly, sec A. What is sec A? Sec is inverse of cos. What is cos? Cos was base upon hypotenuse. Now what is sec? Sec is hypotenuse upon base. What is hypotenuse? AC. And what is base? AB. Now AC is 17 and AB is 8. So we have solved this question and we have find sine A and sec A. Okay, so you can write it down. So this is question number 4th. So we have completed question number 4th. Now if you see question number 5th, that is sec theta is equal to 13 upon 12, and you have to find all trigonometrical ratios. So you can do that question by yourself. Okay, now come to the next question, that is sixth question. Here, if angle A and B are acute angles such that cos of A is equals to cos of B, then show that angle A is equals to angle B. Now let me clear this. So in that question, we have A and B as acute angle. Suppose this is angle A and this is angle, this will be angle C. Because here it has said that angle A and angle B are acute angle. Now, question number 6. So it is given that cos A, cos of A, it is given that cos A is equals to cos B. Okay. Now what is cos A? Cos A. Cos A is base upon hypotenuse. Okay, and it is also equal to base upon hypotenuse. But for angle A, base is AC and hypotenuse is AB. Similarly, for angle B, base is BC and hypotenuse is again AB. Okay, base is AC. So for that, base is AC and hypotenuse is AB, and for angle B, base is BC and hypotenuse is AB. Okay, now AB will cancel each other, so therefore we can say AC is equals to BC. Okay, so this is AC is equals to BC. Now there is a property of triangle. We have studied that property in class 9th, if you remember that property. So in any triangle, if two sides are equal, then angle opposite to those sides are also equal. So we can say that BC, the opposite angle of BC, that is angle A, and opposite angle of AC, that is angle B. So we can say AC ka what is the opposite of side AC, that is angle B, and what is angle opposite to side BC, that is angle A. We can write property here, angle opposite to equal sides, angle opposite to equal sides. So from here we have proved that angle B is equals to angle A. So we have completed question number 6. Okay, now move to the question number 7, that is cot theta is equals to 7 upon 8, and we have to find this one, this expression, and this expression. Okay, so let me rub this. Can't erase this now. What can we do then? Can we erase from here? No. In question number 7, we will take this triangle. Can we clear the screen? Okay. Now import this image from So we will do question number 7. So first make a triangle. We will draw triangle over here. We will make triangle over here. Okay. Now question is cot theta is equals to 7 upon 8, and we have to find sin theta and cos theta. Okay. Now suppose we consider this as a triangle A B C and this angle as theta. So what is cot theta? Cot theta is base upon perpendicular. Cot theta is base upon perpendicular. Now what is base? Base is for angle theta, base is AB, and what is perpendicular? Perpendicular is AC. So from here we can say AB is equals to 7 and AC is equals to 8. AB equals to 7 or AC is equals to 8. Now we have to find hypotenuse. Again we will again do what? We will again apply Pythagoras theorem. So in triangle ABC by Pythagoras theorem, BC square is equals to AB square plus AC square. What is BC? BC we have to find. So BC square is equals to AB. What is the value of AB? 7 square plus 8 square. Now what is the value of 7 square? That is 49 plus 64. 49 plus 64. If we add this 9 4 13 और ये हो जाएगा 11. So BC is equals to 113 under root 113. Now we have to find 1 plus sin theta, 1 minus sin theta, 1 plus cos theta upon into 1 minus cos theta. We can do it in both ways. Suppose first agar if we apply formula of a plus b into a minus b, so it will be 1 square minus sin square theta, and in the denominator it will be 1 square minus cos square theta. So we can apply that formula also, or we can simply put the values of sin theta, cos theta. So for that first we need to find sin theta and cos theta. Okay. Now sin theta, that is perpendicular upon hypotenuse. What is perpendicular over here? That is 8. And what is hypotenuse? That is under root 113. Now cos theta, base upon hypotenuse. What is base? That is 7. And what is hypotenuse? That is 113. Now 1 plus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta upon 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta. Okay. So if I apply formula of a plus b into a minus b, so it will be a square minus b square. I can write in this way. Okay. And in the denominator also a square minus b square. Okay. So if you put the value here, 1 minus 8 upon under root 113 whole square upon 1 minus 7 upon under root 113 whole square. Okay. Now so here it will be 1 minus 64 upon 113 and whole upon 1 minus 49 upon 113. Okay, now let me solve here. Will be, if you take LCM, 113 minus 64 upon LCM 113 minus 49. So this 113 and 113 will cancel out each other. 113 minus 64, 13, 3, 4, 9 or 4 upon this. This will be 4 and this will be 64. So answer will be 49 upon 64. Now we will find cot square theta. Please find cot square theta and comment what is the value of cot square theta. Okay. Now we will do last question, that is question number question number 8. Question number 8 is also like very simple question. What will you do here? Like 3 cot A is equals to 4. You simply put that 3 under 4. So cot A is equals to 4 upon 3. Now cot A, what is cot A? That is base upon perpendicular. So base will be 4, perpendicular will be 3. You can find what? Hypotenuse, and simply put the values in that expression and see whether left hand side is equal to right hand side or not. Okay. Again, in question number 9, we have 10a is equals to 1 upon root 3. Now 10a, what is 10a? Perpendicular upon base. So now let me change the here 10a is equals to 1 upon root 3. Here 1 is perpendicular and root 3 is base. So you can make triangle. Base is root 3, perpendicular is 1. So simply you can find that it will be equal to 2. Okay. Now you can put the values here and find the expression. Okay. Again, question number 10 is also very simple. Here PR plus QR 25, PQ equals to 5. Determine the value of sin P, cos P, tan P. What will you do in that question? You will simply make a right angle triangle. Okay, a right angle at Q. Now this is angle Q, like this P, and this is R. Now PR plus QR is equals to 25. PQ equal to 5. PQ, it is 5. Now we have to find these two sides. How will you find these two sides? Like, let me explain here. Now if we apply Pythagoras theorem over here, so there PR is equals to PR is equals to PQ RQ square plus PQ square, RQ square plus PQ square. Now we have value of PQ, so if we shift it here, PQ square equal to PR square minus RQ square. Apply the formula of A square minus B square. So PR plus RQ into PR minus RQ, and PQ. What is the value of PQ? 5. 5 square 25. And what is the value of this? Its value is 25. So it is equivalent to 25. Now if 25 over here, 25 upon 25, that is PR minus RQ is equals to 1. PR is equals to RQ. PR and RQ will be equal. Now you can find sin P, cos P, tan P by simply applying the formula. Okay. So we have completed exercise 8.1. We will do we will learn more about trigonometry in the upcoming classes. Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you so much.